Welcome to the third and final installment of what we call Hazardous Turkey Cookery for Thrill Seekers and Adrenaline Junkies, aka Danger Birds, Part 3. The series, which attempts to make up for the fact that I took all the danger out of turkey frying by inventing the turkey derrick. Go to this website to find out more. And so here we investigate, but in no way condone, terribly dangerous methods of preparing Meleagris gallipago for the table. If your goal is not to safely bring a delicious bird to the table, but rather to ride high on a wave of fight or flight hormones while raining destruction down on your entire zip code, fine. So, while perusing the National Rocketry Archives some years ago, I unearthed a document that recounted that in the early days of Project Mercury, some lab technicians attempted to cook a chicken using a prototype TE-316 solid fuel retro rocket. Unfortunately, no records of the culinary outcome could be located. But rough plans for building one's own TE-316 are available on the internet. So my cohorts and I undertook to restage the mythic adventure, or misadventure. To maximize evenness, we mounted our turkey, codenamed Gobbler 1, onto a commercial-grade rotisserie and carefully positioned it under the fully charged rocket engine. And then, ignition was a success, and within about a quarter second, the bird was bathing in rocket scent hellfire. I calculated time to doneness at T-minus 47 seconds, but a cavitation wave quickly developed, resulting in the rocket undergoing RUD. That stands for Rapid Unplanned Disassembly. Simply put, it blowed up. And so we see that turkeys and rockets just don't mix. Ergo, I suggest you get yourself a ladder, a few basic parts from the hardware store, build yourself a turkey derrick, and safely fry that bird. You want dangerous feelings? Well, wear something tight and frilly under your cooking clothes to, get that thrill that you're so desperately... Okay.